To resolve the issue of a black screen on your monitor, it's essential to identify the cause. The problem can be attributed to a loose cable connection or computer glitches. To fix these issues, start by checking the cable connections. Begin with the power cable, ensuring it is securely connected to both the power outlet and the monitor. Next, inspect the HDMI and VGA cables for any signs of damage. Verify that the HDMI and VGA cords are properly connected to both the monitor and the computer. If a cable is faulty, consider replacing it or using a spare. Another potential solution is to restart the computer. To do this, press and hold the power button until the computer shuts down. Then wait a few seconds before powering it back on. Rebooting the system can often resolve glitches that may be causing the black screen issue. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the problem and restore your monitor to normal functioning.